Hi, I'm Pradipta Sinha, founder of WPFreelance, a small web development agency from India, a WordPress expert with 12+ years of real-world experience helping small and growing businesses build websites that actually work, not just look good. I work with small business owners worldwide who want a fast, secure, and scalable website. Whether it's a company site, an online store, or a custom web application. My focus is simple: performance, conversions, and long-term reliability. Here's what my team and I at WPFreelance specialize in: WordPress design and development, ongoing WordPress maintenance and security, e-commerce websites using WooCommerce and Shopify, custom web apps using Laravel, React, MySQL, or PostgreSQL, SEO and data analytics, digital marketing and ads, and social media branding and setup. These are a few real projects we've delivered across hospitality, e-commerce, healthcare, real estate, and service businesses. Every project is built with clean design, fast load times, proper tracking, and SEO-ready structure. No templates pushed blindly. Everything is aligned with the business goal. I believe in clear communication, honest timelines, and long-term partnerships. You'll always know what's happening with your project. No guesswork, no surprises. If you're looking for a reliable developer who understands both technology and business, let's talk. Send me a message on Upwork. I'd be happy to review your project.